Hi everyone, thanks for watching Fun Toys Only. Today we're at Doc McStuffins' house and we're gonna open up surprise eggs from the Littlest Pet Shop. I'm so excited, so let's get started. Alright, first we have this yellow egg. Let's see who's inside. Wonder who it could be. Oh, it's a little tiny baby seal. Aw, so cute. Where should we put him? Let's put him on the couch. I think he wants to play on the couch. Alright. Now how about this purple one? Open up this purple one. Oh, it's a tiny, tiny bird. Oh, look at that tiny bird. Pretty big eyes. Oh, silly. And he has a rubber ducky on his head. That's kind of silly. Alright, let's put him by the baby seal inside Doc McStuffins' house. Okay, now we have this big yellow egg. Big egg. Wonder who's inside. Open it up. Hey friend. It's a kitty cat. Hi kitty. And the head moves. That's cool. Oh, cool. Alright kitty cat, we're gonna open up your friends. Stay right by the little baby bird. Shake, shake, shake this yellow egg. Open it up. Who's inside? It's another kitty cat. It's so cute how they have such big, pretty eyes. Okay, now this blue one makes a lot of noise. Okay. Looks like a baby seal. Hi everyone. Okay, we'll put the baby seal right next to the other baby seal. Now for this green one, shake, shake, shake. Oh, look at him. He looks like he's a little fox. Hey everyone. He has purple eyes and a little purple nose. Alright, he can play with his friends. Now for the big green egg. Who's inside? Who's inside? Oh, a big kitty cat. Meow. This one's really pretty in blue. It's like two colors of blue. Put you right there. Whoa! Whoa! Everyone's falling over. There you go, little fox. And for this last purple, pinkish purple one. Oh, so pretty. Looks like a little mouse. And look at the pink tail. Alright, little mousey. Sit here with your friend. Thanks everyone for watching Fun Toys Only. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and you'll be able to see all of the videos we post. And we post 2 videos a day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.